I'll be the first to admit I'm a total neat freak. I can't stand the thought of going to bed with a dirty dish in the sink. I love the chance to give my home a little refresh, and thankfully, there are so many great products out there to help you give it a deep clean. I turned to Amazon for helpful tools to get the job done and accidentally stumbled upon an entire section of cool cleaning gadgets. Today, we will check out 10 best cleaning tech gadgets available on Amazon. Number 10. A robot vacuum that connects to Wi-Fi. Earning our pick for the best robot vacuum, iRobot Roomba's 3-stage cleaning system cleans several floor types, navigates around objects, responds to voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant, and runs for an hour of continuous cleaning. Its strong suction and effective spinning side brush, along with its ability to be programmed and controlled from an app, make it a worthy competitor to high-end bots. If money's no object, then the best Roomba has to be the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. It's one of the best we've had on test, picking up pet hair with ease and cleaning up after itself thanks to the self-emptying base. Styling a D-shaped body, this vacuum has a premium quality feel, and you can really tell that its design has had a lot of thought put into it. If you want your floors to sparkle, it can also work in tandem with Roomba's Brava M6 mopping robot, $499 sold separately. With this combination, once the S9 Plus is finished vacuuming, the M6 will spring into action to mop the freshly swept floors. iRobot's latest robot vacuum, the Roomba J7 Plus, is officially on sale and features some of the latest innovations. This bot stands out for promising to detect and avoid everyday obstacles such as cables, socks, and, most importantly, pet poop. We will test this model and upload the results soon, so watch this space. By no means, this is not a cheap purchase, with the S9 Plus costing $1,099 and the M6 costing $499, although you can buy both as a bundle at $1,349. Number 9. A self-cleaning litter box. While cats are known to be more low maintenance than dogs, you do still have to clean up after them. This Litter Robot 3 open-air automatic self-cleaning futuristic litter box almost completely eliminates one of the more unpleasant tasks associated with being a cat owner by automatically separating the clean litter from the clumps and dropping the waste into a carbon-filtered drawer. It has a large entry for cats of all sizes and is ideal for multi-cat households. The Litter Robot 3 Open Air holds enough waste that you need to empty it only about once a week for a single cat. It also jams less frequently than most other models, and it was the second fastest of the self-cleaning litter boxes we tested. But it's enormous on the outside and too small for most cats on the inside. It's also expensive, and it can still malfunction more often than is acceptable for something that costs $450 up front plus $65 a year to maintain. As an alternative, nothing beats a traditional litter box like the Nature's Miracle high-sided litter box. For the price of a litter robot, you can get a simple box that is easier to clean and has more space for your cat, plus 5 to 7 years worth of litter. If you prefer something more contemporary, you can also upgrade to the ModCat Flip litter box for less money than you'd pay for most automatic designs. Number 8. A self-cleaning dog potty. Brilliant Pad self-cleaning automatic indoor dog potty. Another gadget that makes cleaning up after your pets less of a hassle is this automatic potty for dogs under 25 pounds. Its adjustable timer automatically advances the highly absorbent pad once, twice, or 3 times a day, while the sensor ensures that the timer will never start while the dog is on the machine. Number 7. An air purifier. This 3-in-1 air purifier by Gem Guardian 3-in-1 air purifier with true HEPA filter, UVC sanitizer, has a true HEPA filter to capture 99.97% of dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns in size, UVC light to kill airborne germs, and charcoal filter to capture odors. It's a game changer for anyone who's seriously affected by allergies and is sensitive to air impurities. Number 6. A robot mop. Mopping is ideal for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone. iRobot Brava Jet Robot Mop can get into those hard-to-reach spots around toilets, sinks, and below cabinets, so every part of your home is sparkling clean. It will automatically choose the correct cleaning method, wet mopping, damp sweeping, or dry sweeping, based on the type of pad you attach to it. Before it sprays to loosen dirt and debris, the machine checks its surroundings to make sure it's not spraying your furniture and walls. Number 5. A super fast scrubber. Sonic Scrubber with 5 brush heads, $23.40, available at Amazon. Like an electric toothbrush for your appliances and surfaces, the Sonic Scrubber relieves the manual effort you usually put into cleaning, making the process easier and much faster. It comes with 5 different brush heads to use on a variety of surfaces, from a stovetop to bathroom tiles. Number 4. A toilet bowl cleaning system. Say goodbye to the days of scrubbing your toilet by hand with Fluidmaster Flush and Sparkle Toilet Bowl Cleaning System, $10, available at Amazon. Unlike bleach tablets, which get dropped into the tank and could potentially ruin your septic system, the Flush and Sparkle puts a cleaning solution directly into the overflow tube of the flush valve, so no chemicals ever touch the flapper or fill valve. Each cartridge lasts up to 3 months and is easily replaceable. Number 3. A microwave cleaner. Toppest Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner, $9.99, available at Amazon. You probably don't clean the inside of your microwave as much as you should, leaving you to attack the suspicious food and beverage stains only when absolutely necessary. This simple little accessory doesn't use any chemicals. All you need to do is fill the body with water, vinegar, and lemon juice, then microwave it on the high setting for less than 10 minutes. The steam from the solution breaks down tough, caked-on food, so you can easily wipe it down by hand afterwards. Use steam to clean the crud from your microwave. Just add vinegar and water, then microwave for 7 minutes. No need to use dangerous chemical and stain removers. The steam comes out of Mama's head and softens microwave dirt and stains for easier cleaning. Easy to use. First, remove Angry Mama's hair and head from the body, then add vinegar and water to fill lines on the body. Add a squeeze of lemon juice or essence to liquid for a pleasant odor. Angry Mama cuts down microwave cleaning time in less than half. Cute, clever design. Will make a great gift for any occasion. Made with heat-resistant materials, Angry Mama is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. What you get: 1 Toppest Angry Mama microwave cleaner, 360 days, 100% satisfaction guarantee. Number 2. A dual compartment trash can. Simple Human Liner Rim Dual Bucket Rectangular Recycling Step Trash Can with Liner Pocket, 58 liter, $199.99, available at Amazon. We too were initially reluctant to buy a $200 trash can, but quickly discovered what a difference this Simple Human one has made for keeping trash organized. Overflowing trash from recyclables is not only unsightly, but also unsanitary. This large, sleek, and space-efficient solution has 2 separate compartment liners that fit perfectly, so trash never falls out, and a strong pedal that won't break. Number 1. An automatic carpet cleaner. Bissell SpotBot Pet Hands-Free Spot and Stain Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, $149, available at Amazon. Carpet is easy to stain and notoriously difficult to clean. Pet owners particularly love this portable carpet cleaner for saving the day after unexpected accidents. It automatically sprays, brushes, and suctions to remove both surface pet stains and tough set-in stains with just a push of the button. The key word here is portable. By its nature, the tank capacity is limited. You're not going to clean an entire room with one fill. You'll find models in a range of amounts, usually around 30 to 64 ounces. That's plenty to clean up small areas. But consider how you think you'll use it to anticipate how big it should be so that it's the most practical choice. The other thing to remember is that you need to find a balance between this spec and the following one. This spec becomes an issue, especially when it comes to handheld models. You'll be surprised how heavy even something as seemingly light as 15 pounds can become after several minutes of cleaning. Verify whether the figure is just the product or filled with water. A gallon of water weighs 8 pounds, so that it could add to the weight considerably. The length of the cord is a major consideration that affects its usefulness and practicality. You may find it helpful to measure from each outlet in the room to determine how long you need it to be to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Many models run from 15 to 22 feet, which is ample for most rooms. You may see cordless devices which sound good in principle, but may not be practical. Think about it. You don't plan on spilling something on your carpet, and if the cleaner isn't charged, well, you risk the fact that it'll become something permanent. Do let us know in the comments which one you would like to buy. Please subscribe to the Gadgets World. Thanks for watching.